Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you once again. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are here to study English grammar, a topic on types of nouns. I hope my students are writing down important points and also revising them thoroughly. Am I right, students? I hope I'm right. Before we go on with the topic, I have some talks to share with you all. Oh God, it's a lockdown. We can't go out anywhere, can't go school, can't meet our friends and teachers, can't go to play, right? This is what exactly happening with your teacher as well. So what your teacher did, last night? She cooked a lot of cookies. Sometimes when she gets bored, she sits near balcony and looks up a group of birds flying in the sky, a group of puppies playing in the garden, and also a group of kittens out there. But I couldn't see group of people anywhere around just because of COVID-19. Well, in this talk, did you all notice something in common? Yes, a lot of cookies, a group of birds, a group of puppies, a group of kittens, a group of people. We are talking about groups. A group of people, animals, birds, and things. In English grammar, each group has a specific name that is called as a collective noun. So, the topic for the day is collective noun. So, let's learn about a collective noun. Well, students, in our last English grammar video, we studied about two types of nouns, that is, common noun and proper noun. And today, we shall study on collective noun. Well, we have here review or recap about a common noun and a proper noun. So, what is a common noun? A common noun is any general name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, child, country, dog, and book. These are the general name. So, these are called as common noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is any specific name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Ram, India, Brownie, and the Bhagavad Gita. These are the special name of a person, place, animal, and thing. So, let's go on with our new topic. Let's learn about a collective noun. Students, so what is a collective noun? A collective noun is a word for a group of people, animals, birds, insects, or things. In the story that your teacher discussed with you all in the beginning, in that your teacher talked about lots of cookies, group of birds, group of animals, group of, kittens, group of puppies, group of people. So all these groups have a specific name or special name which is called as collection of nouns, that is collective noun. So, I'm gonna give you all some of the most common collective nouns that we use in our daily lives. So, to begin, we have here first a flock of birds. I think many of you probably know this one, right? If you have many birds or if you have group of birds together, they are called as a flock of birds. So when you have a single bird or only one bird, it is just a bird. But when you have many birds together, you will say it as a flock of birds. So flock is a collective noun. FLOCK. It is a collective noun. Next we have a bunch of grapes. So when you are talking about group of grapes, so we have a special name for this group which is called as a bunch of grapes. So bunch, BUNCH, is a collective noun. Next we have a herd of elephants. Herd is a collective noun for elephants. When you're talking about many elephants together, you will use this word, herd. I hope this much is clear. Let's move on to the next slide. Now, next slide, what we have here is a class of students. So, when you're talking about group of students, you will use class as a collective noun. So, class is a collective name. CLASS. Next, a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet is a collective noun. Bouquet is a collective noun for a group of flowers. BOUQUET. This is a collective noun for group of flowers. Last but not the least, we have here a bunch of keys. Bunch is a collective noun for group of keys. BUNCH. So, bunch is a collective noun. Well, we have your slide for more examples based on collective nouns. Students see very clear here one picture on the left hand side. If you will see on the left hand side, we have single pictures of animals, birds, insects, whereas on the right hand side we have groups of them, right? So this left hand side one talks about common noun, whereas the right side one talks about collective noun. So when you're talking about buffalo, one buffalo, so it is just a common noun. But when you're talking about many buffaloes, it is called herd of buffaloes. So collective noun basically talks about same thing taken as one. So herd is a collective noun. Okay. Second, geese. Only one geese is common noun, but when you're talking about many geese, you will use flock of geese. Same goes with puppy. When only one puppy is a common noun, but when you're talking about many puppies, same thing taken as one. So, litter of puppies. Ant. Ant is a common noun, but when you're talking about many ants, you will use colony of ants. The last we have here is fish. When you're talking about many fishes, you will use this word school of fish. We have here summary. Just take a quick recap of what did we study. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is a noun that we use to talk about a group of things, animals or people. It is basically collection of, things or whatever, whether it is animal or people. So it is basically a collection. You just need to remember that. Here we have some more examples of collective nouns. We have here band. Band means it is another example of collective noun. class, company, family, government, team, etc. These are the examples of collective nouns. We have studied many more examples in the last few slides. I hope you all are doing practice and you all will do this practice at home. All right, so we have here home assignment. I hope my students are getting it now. This is your homework, dear. You all have to underline collective nouns from these sentences given below. Now, I hope my students could do it on their own. Correct? Yeah, so just underline collective nouns and do practice it in your notebook. Thank you, everyone. Keep learning. We'll come back soon with some interesting topic again. See you soon and stay safe.